Never have to seal your granite ever again. Granite Shield restores old granite to look better than it ever did and permanently seals granite, making it smoother, shinier, and maintenance-free. Call 877-477-3254 to schedule your appointment.
My granite was sealed by Granite Shield in August of 2005. It's never been sealed again. It's as shiny as the day it was sealed by Granite Shield. All I've ever used is an ammonia-based glass cleaner and occasionally clean and shine. And I never wipe up spills immediately.
On this piece of granite, we're showing how the water is starting to penetrate, and just a standard almond mauve granite. And if you can see the water right there where it's starting to darken up, and just give you an idea that it's not a pre-sealed granite. And then we will clean this up and put the sealer on afterwards and try to show you the angle of deflection of the water and how it will improve after the seal is on it. In this example, we can see the reflection of the light in the granite top, and this is before sealing. Now, after we put our first application on, we will show the same difference in the color of the stone and the lighting. The first step of Granite Shield has been applied, and I don't know if you can tell by the video, but it's quite obvious that the shine has already increased considerably, and there's also a little more color showing in the granite, a slight enhancement. We'll be back for step 2. This is the same granite countertop after doing the second step, and as you can see, the reflection of the lights is getting even brighter and more like a mirror surface. And we have with us today the homeowner Mac. Mac, what was the first thing you noticed about the granite after we put the first coat on in the other bathroom?
Well, the shine picked up quite a bit. You could see the reflection of the faucet handles and stuff a lot brighter. They were a lot brighter than they were. But and the smoothness of it is getting smoother all the time.
And this is after 2 steps in this bathroom that we're doing. And also, Mac, you were checking the feel of your other sink prior to me doing our clean and seal on the sink itself. What did you think of that?
Made a definite improvement. The other one really feels gritty, and I thought it was clean. Don't show my wife.
Well, we'll leave some clean and shine for you to let her clean with, so she'll enjoy the benefits of it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mac. We're here with Mac again. This is the third application process of the Granite Shield. And Mac, what kind of difference do you see after the third step?
Well, it's even stepped up more. The reflection is even greater than it was.
Well, what kind of percentage would you estimate it's increased its shine?
I'd say it's increased at least probably 20 or 25% more.
That's excellent. Well, we have 2 more steps to do, so we'll come back after we're going to do a half step so you can actually feel the difference between the actual carbon crystal that we're going to apply next in this standard 3-step process we've gone through. We'll be back in a minute. We're here with Mac again after the 4th application of the Granite Shield process. Now, Mac, we've sealed half of this with the carbon crystal coating. Would you feel the right side of the granite and tell me how that feels?
That's nice.
Okay, now push real hard. Drag your hand across it. Okay, now do the left side.
Oh, yeah. Feel the difference?
What do you feel?
Well, this has got more drag on it. It's not smooth.
It's smooth?
This is over here.
Yeah.
The right side. This side here has more of a resistance, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
It smooths out over here.
So it's actually an improvement on the stone
yeah,
itself?
You can feel it, yeah.
Excellent. Thank you, Mac. Okay, we just finished the last 2 steps of the Granite Shield process, which in this case was a 5-step. And as you can see, the reflection of the light bulbs is as prominent as ever. And Matt, you were saying you thought the shine increased about 25% overall.
Oh, yeah.
And the smoothness of the granite?
Yeah, it increased a lot.
Okay, and we're going to just do a little water test here to show. I don't know if we can see this on the camera. We'll do a zoom. But what is that water doing right there?
It's just,
Okay, we are here with Matt again on the fifth and final step of the granite shield process. And just in reiteration, Matt, you said the shine increased about 25%,
oh, yeah.
and the smoothness of the granite.
That's really improved. I mean, that is slick.
Now, we poured some water on the granite there about, what, 5 minutes ago or so? And what's that water doing on the granite?
Absolutely nothing, not going anywhere. Just beat it up.
And go ahead and blow on that water, see what happens.
It blows around, slides across it.
So, are you satisfied? What you had mentioned that you were intrigued by the granite shield process. For what reason?
Well, it's they say it's lifetime, so you only have to do it one time. Rather than like the other stuff that I was told you have to do about every 6 months or so.
And the unique thing about the granite shield process is the best cleaners for granite shield is what destroys a regular sealer. Alcohol, Windex, ammonia. But we have our own cleaning product that we're going to leave with you today. It's called Clean and Shine. And we did your sink in it earlier, and you noticed how much smoother and shinier it made your sink. See, the water just beat it up in there now.
Mm-hmm. I am impressed. I'll say that.
Well, thank you, sir. We're going to leave that bottle of Clean and Shine here.
No, thank you.
Go ahead and put it right on the countertop there. And one more show of how smooth the granite is. That bottle will just keep sliding till it falls off. Well, thank you, Matt, and have a great day.
Thank you.